Welcome to again my YouTube channel. This video is about editorial of a chef and bulb invention from August long challenge on the Chef. This is div 3 round. Okay, so let me just read the question for you. Okay, chef is trying to invent a light bulb which is run on the temperature without electricity. Okay, there are n gases. We have n gases actually from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, he can use and he does not know which one is the of the n gases will work, but we do know it. Okay, so it's we know the answer, but he don't know, right? Okay, now chef has worked on multiple search algorithm for this project. He used modulo based search algorithm and invented his algorithm basically invented by himself. So first he chooses integer k, which is I guess given. Okay, n, p and k is here given. What is this algorithm? Let's just read. First k is given and he traversal from I mod k. First of all, do I mod k is equal to 0. uh, After then he goes to another integer which is modulo k is 0. After then he go another integer which is also modulo k is equal to 0. After all the integers are finished, which is modulo k is 0, he come and come back on the modulo k which is 1. Okay, let me just write here and I can explain like this. These tests I will explain. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9. Okay, it is 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so he start from here. He choose 0 for the first day, so which is 0 modulo 5. Here given k is equal to 5, so 0 modulo 5 it is 0. So our first day goes here. After then he jump on to 5 and second day on the 5 is 0. Okay, modulo 5 is 0. So first day here, second day here, so first test answer is 2. Okay, after then because in the first test case he want to know about 5 integer 5, how far how they far from integer 5. This is basically output format. Okay, after then there are no such integer which is modulo k is equal to 0, so he come back and start from which is modulo k is 1. So he start from here. Okay, first of all he take 1 and he do modulo k which is 1. So third day goes here. After that then he jump on the 6 because 6 modulo 5 which is 1. So he jump over here and it is fourth day uh, from his algorithm. It is fourth day, right? So our second answer, second answer is 4, right? Okay, after then he come back here and start again, which is modulo k, because there are no such integer which is modulo k is equal to 1. So after he come back and start from modulo k is equal to 2, so it start from here. It is 1 2 3 and 4. It is fifth day. He start from here, goes here, and it is fifth day. It is sixth day, right? After then there are no such and so on, there are no such integer, so he come back here and go here, right? So it is seventh day, it is eighth day. Okay, after then he come back here, so it is ninth day, right? So here answer is ninth day. And in the previous traversal we like we can take 8 in the like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in the 8th day. So here answer is 8. So basically our main answer is, let me just clear all. Okay, 1 0 2 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 8 9. Okay, it is like 0 to n minus 1, right? So basically we are going to we are like ask for uh, which is p modulo k. So p modulo k here for second test case, p 6 modulo 5, 6 modulo 5, it is like 1, it is 5, 6 modulo 5, it is 1, right? So we start from here. We first of all count which is 1, which is all, we first of all count all the integer which is like modulo k is less than 1. मतलब जिन जिन इंटीजर का मोड्यूलो 0 होगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल नंबर हम पहले वो काउंट कर लेंगे. आफ्टर वी आर गोइंग टू काउंट लाइक फॉर द 1. So we start from here for the 1. It is p? No, it is not p. So we like answer do answer plus plus. After we going to here, it is p. Yeah, it is p. Answer plus plus, and that's it for answer. We break the loop, right? After this is not answer, for example. So we like going to again after we going to continue this loop and check for the new answer and answer plus plus and so on, right? But what is the like formula of the count previous those element which is modulo k is less than p modulo k? लाइक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप लाइक बैक कर करके भी सुन सकते हो, 2-3 बार ये लाइन सुन लेना. वी आर गोइंग टू फाउंड पी मोड्यूलो के, not exactly p modulo k but day, right? So just we count how many integer are there ki we are if we do modulo k, so it is less than p modulo k. If we have this number of integers, so what we can do is start from like p modulo k, start from p modulo k, just do I plus is equal to k. So we go here, check for this and answer plus plus. After then it is if it is not the answer, so just I plus is equal to k and go like and so on, right? So this is our answer, but the main problem is formula. You can think about it. It is like very easy formula if you think very carefully, right? If you want, so I can do this is also. Just a minute. Okay, just do something like that. This 0, this 1, this 2, this 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is all p. This is all p, right? This all remainder and this is k. So 0 remainder k is 0, 1 remainder 5. Let k consider here as a 5, right? So 0 remainder 0 modulo 5, which is 0, 1 modulo 1 2 3 4, again 0 1 2 3 and 4, right? this is remainder, sorry. This is remainder, this is p, and this is the nth day. Okay, this is the day. So here for the 0 it is like first day, for the 5 it is second day, for again he come here and this is like third day, again he come here, this is like fourth day, again he come here, this is fifth day, this is sixth day, this is seventh, this is eighth, this is for the 4 this is ninth day, and for this it is like 10th day, right? So think about these test cases, how it's work, and just find out those integer, number of those integer which is like modulo k is less than p modulo k, and just after that we just traversal loop p for the p modulo k. This is for this that's it for this video. I hope this like educational for you. If it is, so please make sure hit the like button. If you are new in this channel, so please subscribe कर देना, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे हेल्दी.